Okay, screen updating I will show you today. You know application about screen updation. Okay, when we work this Excel and all, right? Sometime some error. It's like opening multiple sheet and all. Na we there will be some delay or moving something. Na screen
Yes.
it will move to different, right? Screen updating is the property of an application object in VBA. It can be true or false. It is
Okay.
like a switch that can be turned on or off. And what does it do? The first line, it- uh, if you if you have a long macro that writes
Okay.
into different sheet, applies filter, remove filter, change sheet, save workbook, extra. If you
Hmm.
don't have turned off screen update using application this fall, you will see the flickering on the screen. Flickering means like moving between multiple, there will be some delay or flickering you can see, right? And you are
Yes.
working on Excel. That may affect our coding.
Okay.
So that time we have to give application screen update
Updating.
to be false. Each and every change done by a macro in a workbook will be shown dynamically. This slow down the macro speed. And if you have this line beginning of a macro, Excel will not reflect change done by macro until screen updating is turned on using the line. It is background, it will work, but everything we don't need to see all the function right in the screen. So screen updating we are putting it as fall. So
Okay.
the macro speed also will increase. Background it will do, but it is not necessary that every time we have to see, right? So it may cause some delay. So all the
Okay.
time we have to write application screen updating false.
Yes.
After writing one function, you can make it to true when it is big program, right?
Yes.
Always application screen and display alert also false. Display alert means suppose one file is open, okay, and
Ah.
when you are trying to open that file again, that time you will get one box, right? It is already open, right?
Yes.
Otherwise, it is again we are saving that type of box also we don't need. That type of display alert or pop-up also in our VBA code we don't need. We are simply we have to make it false. Application dot display alert is equal to
Alert.
false. So when you are writing a small in VBA everything we will write as a module, right? So initial module, see here like that application display alert false we write. After that we will write all the code and we will write it as a true. Uh, like that application also screen updating also you have to write like this.